Today we're going to install the passenger seat on this 2014 Chevy Malibu. I just made a video of how to remove the seats, and now we're going to install them. I cleaned them, cleaned the carpet, and it's time to install it. First thing we do is grab the seat and throw it right in here. I like to bring it in just like so, and then just pick it up, flip it over. Alright, first thing we're going to do is connect this pigtail right into here. That's going to slide right into here, into that. Then we'll press this in, and that secures it down. Next, what we're going to do is get these hooks to go right onto this side and on that side, on both sides. So we'll have to pick up the chair and just adjust it accordingly. Then pick up the back, they'll slip into place. There we have it. We'll slide the seat forward, and that will give us access to hook up our seat belt back into place. Okay, so when I took everything off, the threaded rivet came off. So what we're gonna do is put it back the way I took it off, insert the threaded rivet here with the bolt, then we'll just screw it onto place. So we close this little box here. All right, so you want to make sure seatbelt is straight. Just bring it into here. There's a little T, there's little flaps here. It's gonna go right in between the little flaps there. Then we'll put on this case. This case can go like so. We'll put the bolt on. All right, and it should look something like this. So here's a little box with the bolt in between. There, it's latched set into place. There's the threaded rib nut, or rivet, rib nut, rivet, threaded, whatever. Next, what we're gonna do is just line all this up, and then we'll just thread this in with the 10mm socket, and that's gonna thread itself back into that housing there. All right, so there I have it on. One little ear is popped out. It's all right, we'll put that in a little bit. We'll thread this on, and there it is, closing up. Now we'll pop that little ear in, press this down, work it in there, and there it is. And there it is, and we'll just secure this back down. All right, and there it is, and I'm kind of using some pliers just to kind of help it. There's little clips inside that clip together, so they'll clip into place. See, it's kind of coming off there, but there it is. There's the front piece. Let's go to the rear. All right, and these bolts will go here and the back and on both sides. For this one, we'll use a Torx 50. It's a special little star tool. With that, we'll be able to secure these bolts down, and then when everything is nice and secured, we are set. All right, and just make sure they're nice and secured. This one's a little tough because it's a weird little angle from the back seat. And there you have it, and that is how you install the passenger seat on this 2014 Chevy Malibu. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I forgot to mention, this little cover goes right here, just like so. Thanks for watching.